Nyame musraba me so oni pa bia wo don saka me you will never go scot free. She will never go scot free.
Me we are. Anka say na machi be.
Then there will be on no je me who parko meeting. Publishing me any mugwase when you back bo na wani tua. Me Agradaa me I will never get sympathy for you.
Ese say bompa ye say Nyame be man suboni ato ya brabom. Na apanjensi a enye a etwa ye ho ahia nyina so ne ye ho say sanjensi we sana da so keke. Emawu
Obapa Christy ebonyum bi ose wa bra na efriade obi ebenya wonso a na efriade na asantefo nso ewo asem bi a omuta kapa ene se amame ne wanse na chese eyeyade anase efriade ebusua few days ago ena ye bra panyi Kofi Adoma mamani ebe narrative kwan ye fa so ema nani ho aka ebusua ye wo na ewo hye ne well ena ye wo wonso a chese eka se Nyame ena atua ne ka ewo niema bi a waye edi etia omuno eho na nipa baako a sabrede ono enwehye eye ye bra Kofi well kra na ose eye Nyame na atua ne ka no eye ye maame Agradaa mama part memo tie nsem a waka se be ya menu mienu ye besua bibi efiri mu bra Kofi aye ne dey mechichiri mu aha eye AJ gossips me sure sa be chewa nyafa video ho na wi a wa share so ama wonu abi nsa atumi aka mama part ese papa anya hwe abone so enye hwe na wo want to me any so platform against or no mama part and can trunk a can se bi mfa ne ho se oni obi e court issue na umbom no o grant interviews and no be in favor of Senipa no Nyame aya adom na se wani baako abo a ene se ya ene oka no wani baako abo a enya afei na obehu mobo ebusua yentie emfiri mama part na nkasa enum emra ye ba ye be kasa ho
Opia benye na katua from the day I Yankopon the powder, a goom so no. Me say, oh, Pia Benny na katia one after the other. One after the other. What would me bonnet? Nyame friend me, Nyame musraba me so. Only baby I would on saka me. You will never go scot free. She will never go scot free. Then there will be on no J. Meme who parko meeting. Publishing me any mugwase when you back oh bo no when you tua. Nyame Agradaa me I will never get sympathy for you. Because what told me home bonnet their pesika na bonnet na what told their pesika no and then when you back on a friano. And when you're in such stella, back on be friaka home. And now your wife is sitting there talking, God is saying, do you know that there is God? And your husband was using some people's wife, some people's mother, using his platform, tarnishing their image. And then say appear de mi kojina court in appear edi mi sun kunimu a enka Kofi Adoma di nani ba ko na apro no ebe so camera to come and publish it enka ne confirm say nani ye ne yampo ka he will come and publish it. But let me ask you, say enkunimudi ni ba no, have you ever seen their platform? Because eneno yare no, they are still working as a media team. Has then their media team come and publish the good news about me? They will not do it. Because you are giving me whole contracts to disgrace me. Now me will show ban na me so for ban was sra a jare me send me to ya and mguasiani de ube gume. But we ye a beye mopo. I always tell you, say, when you get any chance or any power, don't try to use your power to intimidate somebody's life. To intimidate somebody's life. Oh yeah, brother, oh a chance. Kofi Adoma, you get the platform. When will be at you, when I will be at you, you have used so many years to disgrace me. Go many more say, selling bad news against me. And I want to see so. And the cousin ye planning a new one. Ye you quite or you chan throw me quite sorry. Now you chan throw to me so. Now you're the hank of women, sir. You were interview people one after the other. I'm going to say, Murukutun Grofo. I wouldn't say, and Crawford almost saw one would do a mobile interview, you know. They did not come to the church, including lawyer Efagate. You interview him, including Apia. You interview him. And it's better for you say you shut up and come out and apologize to people. What you will platform a good many more say for forgiveness. Me do nyame come a Bible say. Me do nyame come a Bible. Every time I say you can even get billions of cedis. So why am I wanting to apologize to some people when you use your platform to tarnish us? And when you know, you will never get it back. I'm telling you the facts. Me did the Reverend Dr. Evangelist Patricia Mrs. Siama. Me didn't know. Agradaa me didn't know. Using your platform. Guma ni mo ase na hank of gumensa na wo promote na mo kansam na mo chantro na mo te platform so na mo buboki on the nyame aya nyame achia wo ka nyame bo chia wo ka. If you are a blogger or you are a radio presenter or you are a TV presenter, so be can nipa no wasam bone a when the good thing come on ka I don't know be me who say you are a real person. Na wo ma kwan mo bi kotow I don't say, so I am using you for this woman. Tarnish her. Can some good fee. And I mean, no. And then me who me kunanim. And then me kunda me so I mean who the sexy face of my husband. And over to I so. And then when you back and I look my way. Bako no eko akabako. It's better for you to come out and apologize to people. Ni pay di yaw. You use your platform to disgrace people. Yanu be. We came out and apologized to them. Why are you making yourself arrogant? Who do you think say nobody is going to get sympathy for you, me especially? Who permenim guasie, who pemu, who pemamane, who pemefiase, Nyame for weni bako, ama weni bako aboa. Who surely any flyer for now so we good platform so. Now what's when you'll Abrana udo platform na dane any flyer for what's the sour moment near fra a bodan for now we interview a bodan for now we interview any flyer for now almost good prominent people when you say what's me got time will be a sebio won't want there to your platform to disgrace a pastor, a woman of God, Omoma Bobra, woman told you any man yankadi now I cause some better platform so trying to disgrace them. Oh, when you go see Kofi Adoma Nyame Nyame gu when you sit to the high authority. Bible say a real say when you your kania. That's all we are now who are jumpone, say ni penim guasie, and out your pa, a real say better than sum our brother who a real say don't wish evil for anybody. Don't wish evil for anybody. Because obi friend in Yankopon na obi ni ho. Anyone you wish evil for the person, you don't know. I always tell you, you don't know the covenant between that person and God. You don't know the covenant. And you go see and the Agradaa, and the papa ma Emma Kofi Adoma meka and the president. But I have dashed you dollars before. 2019, who by me TV station the who bra mampo. A diamasi, a brosaya messi, a TV station. Ana sabre kwa uti baby na oye djuma TV station wa na oye djuma mpono na me build ye nyame afa me so build e dey be TV station afa nkwala more than 100 people ana me chi omoka no na wo TV station ho baby na oye djuma no na enuru ho obaye me free makomo mu che wo dollars ba wo free ho a wo koye no. What did you go and did to me? You did not remember. So what did mean someone didn't put that? And all the Nyame me say when you know, your way papa no so more boy, papa mahama ni why are the Nyame no? But papa, some people are cursed by God. Some people are cursed, that some people are punished by God. Me say me what don't say come, what don't say Nyame ni kosuya. I'm telling you, what don't say come, what don't say Nyame ni kosuya. Yanya ne bone na yemfa nkwaji abodi yanya ne bone na yemfa yi post edin na bi mu ye me bone dia kwaji abodi no na me no ka say no edin no kranka de ne kita on ka ope ne afri wonsa ekọ treating me like a dog, a woman like me, a woman with substance, a woman with case, treating me like a dog, treat me like you treat me like obi ami nipa. And now Maria, you see what God has done to you people. Me na mete ho a me hwene no. Me na mete ho a me hwene no. Wosuru wani baako ye de abatena ho no. It's time for people to repent. Mutse Ghana, de muchini ni pankoso, de muchini so wo yo ba, momo love no so. If you are a woman, cry de ye fa onya shimpo. If you are a woman, they will not take you any serious. Yam person oba be peja wo my Ghana mo. Yam person oba be loud e wo my Ghana mo. Ya be kan wa she. They will sit down and plan to say ya be kan wa she. Try say ya be kan wa she. Because you are a woman. Unya bone, ni a planet, ni a shisha, ni a toso. Anyway, and then a bimo juma free monsano, a bimonia bupo, a bimonia bo, a bimo juma free womansa. A lawyer will cut snazzy go many once and then you chat and I. If I take, oh, got snazzy, yet see me, go many once and now I when you chat. And the Kofi Adoma when you back a two, and then a bimu and juma a free womansa. I am the eye of God. Because Odon Saka the covenant child. You will never go scot-free. But I suppose to be new bia, mini penibia, Agradaa oni penibia, or penibia, Kadiadi, company for P, mini penibia, but me wo penibia your friend Yesu. Me wo penibia your friend Yahweh. Me wo penibia your friend Messiah. Me wo penibia your friend Obosaka Dadudi Yakaya. Me wo penibia your friend Yeshua Hamashia. Me was a bear my don't bury money dimechi. Me say you will never sell me pone to go scot free. Who ya me bonnet? Me money me kunu ensu now won't kwasare and you go scot free. I can be betting a mere cheer then. Can be betting a mere cheer then. One more people or more powers ain't me there, you know. Now you are begging for your post. Also, I may not there. If we are say, obeying you to obey, will be that. Me na mo fa me nya hwe na musi mu di me bone e wa bra me bone ni me hono enne me where you are crying I can just speak for you to get what you want. Sorry Nyame na there. Where you are crying I can just speak for you to get what you want. Sorry Nyame na there.
Musa asempa no awie ye ne the gospel according to Mama Pat and ama piepiem a kire no Mama Pat we de wa wo ba eje ma me nse na me nkasa kakra wakasa bebre na in fact me baby a me aye me yapa ne se senka eye kane na Nyame emfrɛ wo ne de anka me no ni problem mama me ba che wo se eye kane na Nyame ento nsa mfrɛ wo ensra wo ngo ana wo eye kane abrabo ne mu de a enka me ni problem ba se sei no wa behunu ehan no aye mu bebre na no yesua bibi free wo ho na se obi mpo aye wo bone na se che se eye Nyame akatua mpo na wo susu se akɔ so a ene die mama said ye wani esi agye ne nsem bi a wo se yu se Nyame na atua ne ka ena che se ni ade ne de eni de mesre because na no bi natural no e kan se mi se mo fa mu de nkebetumi a mo ni nipa nyina entena asomdwe mu ya obantes bebra oni nipa no bi enyinya manfa ma no antom because omu nyina no a wo no mu enya bantes no omu ni ya omu but bra Kofi de anokwasem ne se ogina ko ano ohia awechichire nsem wo hia nsem a eno be ma ne bo ato ne yam anase ede ne kra besa aba ne ho so enti mama se nipa titiw ti se wo na se asem ato bra Kofi yemfa ne se wagu wanim ase yemfa ne se waye bibi bebre ene de etiaw se de Paul eka ye ne se Alexander dua dumfo do waye me boni bebre ti Nyame ntua ne ka se de ne nyuma etie no se sampo na etia ene de momi me o de betena social media na waya live na waka nsem we no eni die me de enka mesrew se enka yenkomra biem because ewom se oni wani ne ye but eye yade e na aba ohun enti se de usi kasa na minim se bia waye bibi ama no ahaw but se u take vengeance se ekwan we ya ofa so e de atake vengeance na de mo me mesrew se eni diem because baby a yenua no ejina no hwe odo akane no na eda wo ne ntem empanyi se obi fum kuma ya mfum dwa se wabe Nyame sofo a Nyame nsa ewo so wo won sori ma enti se obi mpa ya wo bone na okọ amane mu a ye ma emeka ni sei mommy eni diem me de se na me sre because me nim de wo mu ena me nim de Nyame na mo so because baby Nyame de wo adru no eni ma bi sei no eni diem enko apa ho mommy to be frank and honest with you enko apa ho se obi wa amane mu na obeka se Nyame na atua ne ka ena on na hye ho no otwea na no bi uye mi sei mommy wapa ho ene dem ena bidi ka se eye kane ne de aka me ne uni problem but se sei na Nyame nsa aba wo so Nyame asrawa Nyame edwa dua asafo kese sei ano no ene dem mesrew mommy se ye mo bi sei ene ye beka am fanyin se asem kese owe ano kese ene eka eye sre ena mesrew se we ni de ene dem entwa uni obi a enya abanta e ma me meka bi sei eda abusuya minim se de wonso so obesi akire wadwen afa asemi ho asi afa memom de me se na part se de wasi a wato punches wato fire e de akobra Kofi so no eni de senka on reverse nanka onnom nyame na onsie nyame mpo mane se samfunso bi mpo ene waya se de ewo James ho no se obi yare wo mumu ana momfra asafo no mu mpanyimfo se mpo bone bi ne waya mompa ye nti nyame de beche no na dodo empaye anase agidifo mpaye a emu den no eye enoma bebrebe mommy ene de mesre se ode ne mfonso ebeche no na wasre nyame unyankopon no na ode ne nsa aka no. This is not the time to take vengeance. Say one kasa o turn so rest say nyame e na atua ne ka e na say ebuza feel free na kire wadwen e wo comment section e fa nsem a ye maame Agradaa asend e de amabra Kofi Adoma nwani e ho na me da bia me ka say akwanya bi anipa obenya no hwe ne toto niema eye because bra Kofi nam ho a okọ a obanyina no menyini say onim say wa fom krofo bi say ena onim se bi a obekwa amane mu ama nipa no mu bi e reveal the real identity say ye ne wo sere ye nim nanso kokwa mu no say na waye ama no aha ye mere bi a etwam enti no afei de ye take revenge ebuja ye kwa ye ba nyina no obi nim adechie mu asem se obi nim de ebesi ochina 16th March a ke bi a obetoto ne niema eye nanso obi nim adechie mu nsem eye san e na aba ti se unua hwe ase a susuka ne ho asem se de oji e kan ye no de ye ne se ogina ho no onhwe ne ho ye e na wanhwe ase aha eye AJ gossips me share say obekire wadwan for video na we are share so ama wunua bi nsa atumi aka message ye maame Agradaa mama part e send ye e de ma ye bra pani Kofi Adoma nwani after say wabe narrate said ye ana kwanya nani e fa so e ho te chema e na mama won etie no wadwen kire e ne say in comment section. Now we are share video ema woni bi nsa entumi enka aha eye AJ gossips meda wase na mama wo mo ene hye Magraheb.